Hello everyone, now we'll be discussing about lipophilicity and its significance on drug absorption. Usually we all know that unionized form of a drug is rapidly absorbed than its ionized form. But in some cases, even if the drug has sufficient unionization, even if exists in unionized form, it will be poorly absorbed because it has a poor lipid solubility or low partition coefficient. So ideally, for optimum solubilization, a drug should have sufficient aqueous solubility to dissolve in the fluids at the absorption site and lipid solubility necessary to facilitate partitioning of the drug in the lipoidal biomembrane into the systemic circulation. So, for optimum absorption of a drug, the dosage form should have sufficient hydrophilicity and lipophilicity. So how will we measure the lipophilicity? The measurement of drug's lipophilicity is done by partition coefficient. And the partition coefficient is an indication of its ability to cross the cell membrane, or a measurement of drug's lipophilicity is an indication of its ability to cross the cell membrane. So, partition coefficient is defined as the ratio of unionized drug distributed between organic and aqueous phases at equilibrium. Ko by W is equals to C oil by C water at equilibrium. C is nothing but the concentration of unionized drug. And the partition coefficient, as we have discussed, is a measure of its lipophilicity. A drug's partition coefficient is a measure of the lipophilicity of the drug. Higher the lipophilicity of a drug, easier it will be for a drug molecule to penetrate the lipid cell membrane. Hence, lipophilic drugs show higher distribution rates when compared to polar drugs. And one more important point is the unionized form of drug is more lipophilic than its ionized form. Hence, the pKa of the drug, which determines the relative amounts of ionized and unionized forms of the drug, in addition to the pH, is important in the overall absorption of the drug. Unionized form of a drug is more lipophilic than the ionized form. Now coming to log P value. What is log P? Log P value is the logarithm of the partition coefficient, and this value is the measure of degree of distribution between the lipophilic solvents such as an octanol and an aqueous phase such as water or any suitable buffer. In general, the octanol and buffer pH 7.4 buffer partition coefficient values in the range of 1 to 2 of a drug is sufficient for passive absorption of the drug across the lipoidal membrane. In general, whenever we find or determine the partition coefficient of any drug in octanol and pH 7.4 buffer solution, that partition coefficient value range from 1 to 2 is sufficient for a drug for passive absorption. So let us look at a table. There indicates a direct correlation between the partition coefficient and the percentage absorbed. When we consider here, these are the examples of rapid rate of absorption. The drugs which have a rapid rate of absorption are phenylbutazone in heptane and water system. Here the partition system is heptane and water. Partition coefficient is determined in heptane and water system, and this indicates the percentage absorbed, and here are the drugs. First we'll discuss about the rapid rate of absorption. The drugs which have rapid rate of absorption are phenylbutazone, thiopental, benzoic acid and salicylic acid. These are their respective partition coefficients and the percentage of absorption. And similarly, the next one are moderate rate of absorption. They are aspirin, theophylline, theobromine and sulfanilamide. Here you can see they have very less partition coefficient values, and this reflects in their percentage of absorption. Because they have low partition coefficient values, they have less absorption when compared to the other drugs. Next one is the drugs which have slow absorption rate. The examples are barbituric acid and sulfaguanidine. Here the percentage of absorption is in single digits, 5% and 2%, which is very less. And similarly the partition coefficient is also very less. So from this table there exists a direct correlation between the partition coefficient and the percentage absorbed. Now coming to apparent partition coefficient. For the ionizable drugs where the ionized species does not partition into aqueous phase, in such cases the apparent partition coefficient can be calculated by the following formula. For ionizable drugs, we can calculate the apparent partition coefficient from the following formula. For acidic drugs, the apparent partition coefficient D, log D, is equals to log P minus log into 1 plus 10 to the power of pH minus pK. For acidic drugs it is pH minus pK, and for basic drugs it is log D is equals to log P minus log 1 plus 10 to the power of pK minus pH. Using these formulas we can calculate the apparent partition coefficient of ionizable drugs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics.